Okay, here's down another street. Woo! This one is flooded like, oh my god. This is crazy. Seriously. This water's making my bumper fall off and jog underneath my damn car. This is crazy. This is for all who consider moving to Florida. Especially South Florida. Get a lot of weather like this. A lot of rain. Oh my god, the canal. Look at the canal. It's as high as the canal. That means alligators could start coming out. People need to be careful. If these alligators start coming out, we're in big trouble. God, this person's yard. Seriously. Hopefully we get some time for the frickin' roads to dry up before we get another one, because if not, we're gonna have to be swimming everywhere, riding boats and shit.